This is my Mini Foods setup. I got the 2 kits off of eBay. I paid $22 for one, then $17 for the other one, plus $5.99 I think or something for shipping. And I did not have that, so I also got that on eBay, and I think I got that for $22. And this is just from Rainbow High, the island from Rainbow High, the Rainbow High dollhouse. But takes I think it's like 36 inches just to set up 2 of these cases, that refrigerator, the, what do you call it? Make it mini, what do you call that? Kitchen unit, UV unit, and another one. Takes up a lot of space. This is my standing desk. I have it lowered, and I put it on this just so I could display it. It's huge.